Hi Global neighbors! Today we are in the city of Oaxaca, Mexico. We are in Hotel Trebol. Come on in.
We were lucky to visit Hotel Trebol during the Day of the Dead celebrations in Oaxaca, Mexico. Their decorations in the lobby and throughout were quite a sight. Check-in was super easy and their guest services were top-notch. Within moments, we were in our air-conditioned room.
This is our king room with a view to the street. So, in the king room, of course, you got a king bed, which is really comfy. Oh, it's just perfect.
And aside from the super comfortable bed, you've got these lovely side tables where you can tuck your things away. Also, front desk is just a phone call away to arrange a taxi for you to go out and explore. And if you're having a longer stay, you've got this great furniture for your extra storage needs.
So you can just sit back, relax, and watch your entertainment center over here, which has your ironing board, your iron, the safe, an extra blanket.
Next to this is where you can store your luggage, and then you've got the adjacent bathroom. We found it very spacious and had hot water available at all times. Then you have your normal soap, shampoo, and conditioner, as well as moisturizing lotion, tissues, a shower cap, and even a mini shoe polisher and sewing kit.
Over here you got this seat. And being so close to the street, I mean, it's not 11 o'clock at night yet, but there's a lot of people out there, there's music and stuff. It's actually pretty insulated. We hear a little bit about, like in the background, but it's not overwhelming, it's not super loud. Here you've got this place to do the makeup. Floors, which we've already occupied with all our stuff. Lots of storage space. How awesome is that? But one of the coolest things that we got in this room is the amazing view.
One of our multiple stays here was during the Day of the Dead celebrations in Oaxaca, and from our balcony, we were able to catch some of the many daily local parades, which was so much fun. It really added to our experience and immersion of the holiday. So if this is something you would also like, make sure to request a room that faces the Benito Juarez Market.
So we love that view, and the location of this place, it is so perfect. It's literally a block and a half away from the Zocalo, the center, with the gazebo. There's lots of restaurants. We've already been to one of them. All the premises are so comfortable. We're so happy we found Hotel Trebol.
From the moment you step into the lobby, everything is very inviting. The staff is super wonderful, and if you need to check in early, they do let you leave your luggage at the front desk for your convenience. Just past the lobby are these stairs that give you access to some of the rooms in the upper floors. There are also the lobby restrooms with a common area for the sinks. To the right of this, you can find your way into the lovely courtyard with beautiful trees and plants, 2 shaded tables, a fountain, and access to the other hotel rooms. We absolutely loved this part of Hotel Trebol, including the vibrant colors and all the lush foliage. The outdoor ambience is quite wonderful, whether you're looking to get some work done or enjoy a nice breakfast. And speaking of breakfast, every morning we had 3 different dishes to choose from, and each meal came with a drink, some fruit, a delicious sweet bread, and of course the main entree, which was always tasty. And everything was complimentary as part of the stay. Aside from the outdoor space for eating, they also have the main dining area with plenty of seating, and it was very well lit. They have a self-service coffee and tea area in case you want another drink aside from the complimentary beverage.
There's just so much to do here, so this is just the absolute perfect location. We love staying at the Hotel Trebol. If you're in the area, make sure you check out the hotel, and if you plan to be here for the Day of the Dead, schedule it way in advance. All the hotels around here sell out insanely in advance and insanely quickly, and we were just so lucky that we found a space here, a room here. We love the king room, and if you're liking this video and you like our hotel tours, please like and subscribe, recommend us, and we'll see you on our next pickup getaway.